In a modern world, leading companies are continually striving to improve, using green and more sustainable solutions. It was here in Abeltoft, a picturesque village in Denmark, known for its cobbled streets and historic charm, that GreenOil was established in the humble surroundings of a small garage back in 2008. Today, GreenOil is well established and recognised across industries for its efficient and reliable oil filtration solution, using green and sustainable technologies. Across all industries, poor oil quality is the leading cause of machinery breakdowns, resulting in expensive maintenance and operational loss. With the development of the market's most simple, efficient and reliable filtration solution, GreenOil has broken traditions in the way in which oil cleaning has been performed for decades. A high level of deep particle filtration is achieved by using sheep's wool, an effective and naturally sourced fibre, ensuring the best oil quality. The water separation system operates without any direct heating of the oil, and constantly removes free, emulsified and bound water from any oil type. This is what makes our patented technology filtration system the most efficient on the market. Clean oil is a necessity in any oil system to secure an optimal, safe and reliable operation. All GreenOil systems have shown an average payback period of less than a year.